Discover 8 benefits of drinking clove tea daily. 1. Weight loss. Clove tea aids digestion and boosts metabolic rate, making weight loss more achievable. It helps break down stored fats, promoting a healthier weight. 2. Sexual health. Eugenol in cloves supports sexual health by potentially increasing testosterone levels, enhancing blood flow to sexual organs, improving erections, and preventing premature ejaculation. 3. Tooth pain relief. Cloves' antibacterial properties and eugenol content alleviate tooth pain and gum irritation. Drinking clove tea or applying clove directly can provide effective relief. 4. Skin health. Clove tea's antiseptic properties kill bacteria causing skin infections. Applying the leftover tea paste speeds up healing of acne scars and skin injuries. 5. Immune support. Clove tea contains vitamin C, an expectorant that aids in clearing mucus, reducing inflammation, and preventing colds and flu. 6. Stress reduction. Clove tea has been linked to reduced stress levels and better focus due to its manganese content, which supports brain signal function. 7. Anti-inflammatory. Eugenol and antioxidants in clove tea combat inflammation, benefiting conditions like arthritis and type 2 diabetes. It also helps with mouth inflammation, nausea, and upset stomachs. 8. Recovery from illness. Clove tea's antibacterial qualities help alleviate flu symptoms, reduce fever, and support the immune system. Magnesium, vitamin E, and vitamin K aid in inflammation reduction. To prepare clove tea, bring 1 cup of water to a boil. Add half a teaspoon of clove powder, and let it steep for 3–5 minutes. Sweeten with honey or sugar if desired, but avoid excessive consumption to prevent muscle pain, fatigue, and stomach issues. Consider adding clove tea to your daily routine for these health benefits. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful videos.